Hello everybody, welcome back to Bell CB. Got a tune-up report today on a Galaxy DX 2517. It's a simple tune-up report, just a tune-up. We haven't done anything special other than that to the radio. This is for James in Ohio. Okay, James, power is turned all the way down right here. We're in AM mode. Let's check it out over here. Alright, all the way down is 1. And if I turn it up, we get to 10. My peak reading meter's got 100 watt slugs. We'll be reading peak power on the bottom here. So we're getting focus, right? Here's 40, 60, 50 watts, that line there. Audio, check. Audio. And on sideband, we watch the same meter. I'll turn this radio down. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I said 40 on the bottom there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in case I didn't do waveform in AM, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. Alright. So there's AM, FM waveform and peak power. That's about it. Breaker 19 for radio check. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.